These instructions will guide you on creating a process map using a BPMN diagram. First, click on the PM button. A new PM section will be added. PM stands for Process Map. You can import an existing diagram or create a new one. Let's click on Add New button. A swim lane represents an actor. Let's add 2 swim lanes to represent a design team and a consultant respectively. A BPMN diagram must start with a start event. After adding a start event, add tasks to the swim lane of the actors who are responsible for them. Specify the name of each task and provide a description. When the tasks are located in the same swim lane, you can specify interdependencies by connecting them using sequence flow. You can also input and output information for certain tasks by adding data objects. Note that when associating data objects with tasks, you can only use direct association. When you link the tasks located in different swim lanes, use to intermediate objects. Right-click on the mouse for detailed settings. And 2 intermediates are connected by message flow. When you have finished creating a diagram, save it and close the editor. When you close it, you will see a preview of your diagram. Data objects in the diagram will be automatically shown in the list. These data objects can be associated with exchange requirements after you finish defining the ERs.